have my pineapple plant and coleus in the same pot. Now you might be wondering, why would I do that? Hey plant lover, how you doing? Today I bring one of the most popular garden plants, coleus, and I will share do's and don'ts of its propagation. A word of encouragement and caution. Coleus propagation is easy as it comes, but a couple of things are a must if you want to taste success. Let's dive into the video right away, and yes, hit that subscribe button. Help this 1K creator to become a 10K creator. Let's go. The video is going to be crisp and entertaining, so make sure you watch this video till the end. First up, most important thing, you've got to have a cutting which has at least 2 nodes. Less than that, you're bound to fail in your endeavor. Second, this plant prefers bright light but indirect. So a cutting should ideally be put indoors or in complete shade. No way it can be exposed to sunlight. There is no denying the fact that the brightly colored foliage of this plant is such a luxury to have in your garden. However, the bright color would only be around if you make sure no direct sunlight reaches it. So outside, this plant needs total shade or only the most mild morning sunlight. Greenhouse environment is a good option. Now as you see, the parent plant which I got this cutting from, you see the difference in the foliage color. One is dark, one is rich, the other one is pale. It's very light. So that's the effect of the sun. It almost seems like these 2 coleuses are different, but no, I got this cutting from this plant which is starting to grow once again. And here is one hack which you should try and benefit from it. I have my pineapple plant and coleus in the same pot. Now you might be wondering, why would I do that? It could be pineapple or any other small plant, but you got to make sure this plant is a heavy feeder of nutrients and water. So you can pair a coleus with another plant which feeds heavily on the nutrients and a heavy feeder of water. So that's why I chose pineapple. Because plants like coleus, they like dry feed. That is, they like most of the water to drain out after they have had their fill. So that's my way of placing another plant which is kind of a heavy feeder when it comes to nutrients and even water into the same pot, so that my coleus is growing and getting the minimum it needs. So yes, if you're starting a coleus from cutting or you just bought one from a store, place it with another plant which is kind of a heavy feeder when it comes to nutrients and even water. Hope the video was to your satisfaction. Well, if it was, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button too. I will catch you again soon with another interesting video and share some valuable information. Stay home, stay safe, goodbye.